Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add Python path to environment variable in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So let's go. First of all, just go to this PC, double click on it. Here we find view and here we find three dots, see more, just click at here. Here we find options, just click on the options and folder options are open. Then just go to the view. Here we find hidden file and folders. Here just select show hidden files, folders and drivers. Just select that, applied, okay. Now our hidden files are shown on our PC. Then just click on C drive. Then just go to your user. Here is our user. Just click on the user, double click. Here we find our username, your username. Just double click on your username. In this case, my username is Anu. Just go to the start. Here is your username. Just double click on your username. Here we find app data. Just double click on app data. Here we find local. Just double click on local. Here just find programs. Just double click on programs. Here we find Python. Just double click on Python. Here we find Python and version number. Your version number might be different. My version number is 3.10. Okay, double click on it and this is our path. So we want the path of this folder. That is very easy. Just click at here, okay, and select from C to this path, okay, to Python. Just select that, then left click on it and just copy it. Just right click on your keyboard, on your mouse, and just copy this path, then minimize it. Okay, the next step is just go to the start and here just type edit system environment, edit the system environment variables. Just click at here. Here we find environment variable. Just click on environment variables. Okay, here we find two options, user and system variables. Go with the system variables. It works on all your users. Okay, so just find here path. Just find path and select the path. Then just click on the edit. Okay, here we find many path, okay, or single path. Okay, there just click on the new and paste your path and type / on your keyboard. Just type here / and just click on anywhere on this. Okay, then just go to the new once again. Okay, now just paste the path once again. Okay, and this time make a /, then just type script, SCRIPTS, then /. Just type scripts, then /, then just click anywhere. Okay, now just click on OK. Now just click on OK. Click on OK. Now just check our Python is working or not. So just go to the start, type command prompt and click on the command prompt. In command prompt just type Python -- version and hit enter key on your keyboard. Now here we find your Python, then your version number. In this case my version number is 3.10.2. your version number might be different. So guys, this is the simplest way to add Python path to environment variable in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.